Urari mutino moru wa barabara uria utigite andu 12 matete mioyo yao na andu angi 6 makirwira muoyo wao thibitari-ini wa Kijabe thutha wa mutino uyu. Akianiria andiki ya mohoro, murugamiriri wa thibitari uyu augite ni maramukirire aria marahutitio ni mutino ucio kuria 6 mari hatikaini.
On arrival, we instituted our emergency mass casualty protocol, and numerous staff, including many who were off duty, attended to provide expert care. Today we remain with 6 inpatients who we continue to provide care for. All of these remain in a critical condition.
Maxwell Sinondo, uria ni muru wa nyina na umwe wa aria marahonokire mutino-ini uyu, ni atariirie uria muru wa nyina uria ni muruto wa thukuru areharagiria gucoka thukuru. Oho, aikari a itura riri ria Kimende aria mareyoneire mutino uyu kihanika maugite matatu ino iria irathiaga Kitale irakuite nginyagia arutwo a thukuru.
I saw my brother, he has fractures on the leg, and even I'm told the spine has some problem, but the operation was done. He's getting better, he can communicate, he has some memory, he can remember some of the things, because actually he remembered my number, gave to the surgeon, and I was called.
Ringi ciana ta icio gukora cirathiaga guce ni gucoka ciracokaga ringi macukuru tondu ni ukuona ukirora oguo ri andu ara mari hau uguo kinya twana tunini ni turahotire kuruci muturire na riu tungiuria atiriri ko no tuhote ko andu aya no mahote at least gutuhe bara iraiharaihiire niguo at least tugatiga gukoci tota barabara ene ya Naivasha andu aingi ni makuagira muno.
Oho, aikari aya marauga marari na ihinda iritu kuhonokia aria marari mutino-ini uyu kuona matirari na indo nginyaneru cia kuhonokia andu aya.
Watu walikuwa wameninginia katika madirisha ya gari ambako hatukudhani kuna yeyote angeweza kuokoka katika ile ajali, na ile mlipuko ama ile sauti ambayo ilikuwa ile gurumo ilikuwa hapa ilikuwa ni ya kutatanisha sana, kwa maana watu waliweza kusikia wakiwa kwa mbali.
Aikari a Kimende ni moretie matereba gukorwo mari maitho na makiria amu mwena uyu ni ukoragwo wina kibi kinene kiria kigiragiriria ndereba kuona wega magitwarithia ngari ciao. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Wanjeri wa Kariuki.